Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 3 Dollar Tree spring and Easter DIY wreaths. These are so easy to make. Everything can be found at Dollar Tree, and I have 3 options depending on your style. So here are the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need your choice of greenery. These greenery bouquets are from Dollar Tree. They come in a few different styles, and I ended up using about 3 of them. If you're going to make the egg wreath, you're going to need 1 package of these speckled eggs. If you're going to make the carrot wreath, you're going to need 2 packages of the jute carrots. And then I'm using the larger wicker wreath from Dollar Tree and some hot glue and a glue gun, which mine I just got super cheap at Walmart. If you don't have one, you need one in your crafting arsenal. Okay, so I am starting off by pulling all of the leaves and flowers off of these bouquets. And can we just have a moment of appreciation for these bouquets from Dollar Tree? They are so high quality, so beautiful, and so realistic, and just $1. So I used about 3 to 3.5 of these because I only wanted the green leaves. But if you use the flowers, you could make a really full, beautiful wreath, or you could get away with less bouquets. But I wanted something really simple and sparse, like what you see me putting together right here. I don't know why I'm so into that look right now, but right here I am just laying all my leaves out to make sure I have them the way that I want them before gluing them down. And when I'm creating a wreath like this, I like all of my leaves to go in the same direction for a uniform look, but I like to kind of off-center them so that it doesn't look too perfect. And once I have everything laid out the way that I like it, I go ahead and glue everything down with some hot glue. Not a whole lot to it. Of course, be careful if you're going to work with hot glue. It's very easy to burn yourself, but if you're careful, you will be okay. And that is all that you need to do for look number 1. It is just very simple and minimal and farmhouse, and the total cost for this wreath is just $4. So option number 2 is going to be this wreath with eggs on it. We're just going to build upon option number 1, and I'm just taking these really cute speckled eggs that I found at Dollar Tree and gluing them all around the wreath. I've seen so many wreaths online for Easter with these speckled pastel eggs, so when I saw them available at Dollar Tree, I knew exactly what I was going to do with these. So the only issue that I had with these eggs is that I couldn't lay them out before gluing them down. They just rolled right off the wreath. So I had to do my best to eyeball it, and it didn't turn out perfect, but that's okay. Whenever my DIYs don't turn out perfect, I just say they have a little bit of rustic charm. So the total cost for this wreath is just $5, and I think it looks adorable. Okay, so this last option is my favorite. I just absolutely adore these little jute carrots that I found at Dollar Tree. You get 4 of them for $1. So we're going to be using 2 packs of these, and I am just grouping them off into sets of 2 and then evenly placing them around the wreath. I thought sets of 2 kind of made it look a little bit more interesting. I sort of off-centered the carrots as well for another kind of unique touch. And then once I have them all positioned out the way that I like them, I'm going to just go ahead and hot glue them down. Nothing to it, you guys. These wreaths are so simple, and they are so cute, and they look like something that would cost a lot more. But one thing I didn't show you guys on camera is that I did end up adding a few of the little yellow flowers into this option, and I think it is just the cutest thing in the world. The total cost for this wreath is just $6. So that is it for these super easy DIY Easter wreaths. I hope that you guys enjoyed them. Leave a comment below letting me know which one is your favorite. I would love to know which one you like best. And if you recreate these, send me a picture through an email or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version of this DIY. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you have not already, and I want to say thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me in today's video. It means so much to me, so thank you guys again, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye guys.